Wait, you're telling me you can make a viral floating outfit video without even taking a full body photo? Yep, seriously. Just a selfie, and boom, you've got that smooth jump into outfit transition that's blowing up on social media right now. Let me show you exactly how to do it step by step. And trust me, this is way easier than it looks. Step 1. Prepare the prompts. Alright, first things first, don't worry, we're not dealing with complicated prompts here. You only need two things, one image prompt and one video prompt, that's it. I've already prepared everything for you on my website, so you don't have to think too hard about it. Just head over there, grab both prompts, and keep them ready. The link is in the description, so you can easily find it. Step 2. Generate your floating outfit image. Now, here's where things get interesting. Usually, other tutorials will tell you to take a full body photo wearing the outfit you want. Honestly, that's kind of a hassle, right? So we're skipping all that and keeping things simple by just using your selfie. Start by going to my website and taking the image prompt. Before using it, make sure you customize it by filling in the outfit you want to wear. You can go all out here, whether it's luxury brands, streetwear, or something totally unique. Once you filled everything in, simply select the entire prompt and copy it. After that, open the image generation website and log in using your account. Once you're inside, go ahead and open the image generator tool. Upload your selfie, then paste the prompt you copied earlier into the prompt box. Next, jump into the settings to fine-tune your result. Choose the Nano Banana 2 model, although you can experiment with other models later if you want different styles. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 so it fits perfectly for vertical videos. Then adjust the batch variations depending on how many results you want, and set the quality level based on your preference. When everything is set, hit the Generate button and wait a few seconds. Just like that, your floating outfit image will be ready. No complicated photo shoot needed. Once it's done, download the image because we're going to use it in the next step. Step 3. Turn it into a viral video. This is where the magic really happens. Go back to my website and pick one of the video prompts that I've provided. Each prompt gives a slightly different transition style, so later you can try them all. For now, just choose one and copy it. Then head back to the same platform and open the video generation tool. Upload the image you generated earlier and paste the video prompt into the prompt box. After that, open the settings again and select the Kling 3.0 Pro model, which is great for smooth and realistic motion. Set the duration to around 8 seconds, short, engaging, and perfect for social media content. Once everything looks good, click Generate and give it a few minutes to process. And just like that, your floating outfit video is ready. You'll see that clean transition where the outfit floats and then you jump right into it, exactly like the viral trend. Don't stop at just one video. Try exploring different prompts from the website because each one creates a unique transition effect. Some might look more cinematic, while others feel more fun or dynamic, and that variety is exactly what helps your content stand out on platforms like TikTok or Instagram Reels. So, yeah, no expensive setup, no outfit photo shoot, no complicated editing, just a selfie and a couple of prompts. Now it's your turn to try it and see which style goes viral first. And hey, don't be surprised if your next video suddenly blows up.